Hey there. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review. The touchscreen all-in-one PC with an Intel Core i7-3770 processor and a 24-inch monoblock display. This all-in-one desktop computer is equipped with 8 or 16 GB of RAM, making it a powerful gaming PC that's perfect for any gamer or professional user. The 10-point capacitive touchscreen allows for a seamless and intuitive user experience, making it a great choice for creative professionals, designers, and anyone looking for a sleek and modern desktop setup. The best part? We will send the item to you within 48 hours after your payment is completed, so you won't have to wait long to start enjoying your new all-in-one PC. If you're looking to purchase in bulk, we've got you covered. You can get a wholesale price quote within 24 hours of your inquiry, and we guarantee that our price and quality will satisfy you. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade your workspace with the touchscreen all-in-one PC today. Check the link in the description to purchase this amazing product. Don't miss out. Join the all-in-one revolution now. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting reviews and product recommendations. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.